Hello, my dear friends. Today, I'll share with you 100-year-old Japanese beauty secrets. They remove wrinkles, fade dark spots, and tighten your skin even at 70. Rice flour is one of the most powerful natural ingredients for youthful, glowing skin. It smooths fine lines, brightens the tone, gently renews the skin. First recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of water. Water helps form a smooth paste and hydrates the skin. This mask tones the skin, refines texture, and leaves a fresh, even look. How to use: apply to clean skin on your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Apply your moisturizer after the mask. Use 2 to 3 times a week in the morning for fresh, glowing skin. Friends, write in the comments, where are you watching from? Second recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of milk. Milk softens the skin and boosts radiance. Half teaspoon of honey. Honey nourishes deeply and smooths fine lines. This mask brightens dull skin and restores elasticity. Subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty recipes. How to use: apply to clean skin on your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week in the evening for a radiant glow. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Third recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil reduces wrinkles and improves firmness. This anti-aging mask hydrates, smooths lines, and leaves a silky finish. How to use: apply to clean skin on your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week, best in the evening. Subscribe for more natural beauty recipes. Fourth recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Yogurt gently exfoliates and evens skin tone. This mask refreshes tired skin, minimizes pores, and brightens the complexion. How to use: apply to clean skin on your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use in the morning 2 to 3 times a week for glowing, healthy skin. Fifth recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Vinegar tightens pores and balances oil. This mask clarifies the skin, smooths texture, and reduces shine. How to use: apply a thin layer to clean skin on your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use once or twice a week, best in the evening. Sixth recipe: 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe soothes irritation and deeply hydrates. This mask calms the skin, restores softness, and gives a healthy glow. How to use: apply to clean skin on your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.